Prime HRM or program to institutionalize meritocracy and excellence in human resource management. It raises human resource management of government offices to a level of excellence through assessment, assistance, and awarding process. Prime HRM ensures that HRM systems, practices and competencies using HRM maturity level indicators are at par with global HRM standards. The objective is to inspire agencies to transform their HRM systems to support the agency mandate. It helps in the performance of HR management functions, promote and reward best HR management practices. Prime HRM serves as a venue for the exchange and development. Collaborative expertise around HR management between and among government agencies. Prime HRM serves as a search mechanism for the best practices in human resource management. The rationale for Prime HRM. The Civil Service Commission being the central HR agency of the Philippine government. It is mandated by the Constitution to establish the career service of the agency. It also adapts measures to promote morale, efficiency, integrity, responsiveness, progressiveness, and courtesy in service. It shall strengthen the merit and reward system, integrate all human resource development programs for all levels and rank. Prime HRM institutionalize a management situation conducive to public accountability. Hence, in 2012, the CSC implemented the program to institutionalize meritocracy and excellence in human resource management or Prime HRM. Prime HRM is a program that integrates and enhances the CSC-AAP and the PM-AAP. It is a program to assess, assist, and award HRM excellence using global HR standards. In line with this mandate, guides were developed. These guides serve as a model for all public institutions. Standards were developed to serve as guide in the Prime HRM assessment, assistance, and award processes. The scope of Prime HRM. This program covers all government agencies and affiliated agencies with human resource management offices and units. Prime HRM involves all human resource management officers, heads of agencies, supervisors, and all rank and file employees. Prime HRM is a developmental intervention and initiative that will steer the agency towards the fulfillment of its mandate. It helps agencies to manage the necessary changes effectively and efficiently in policies, processes, and structures within the agency. The Civil Service Change Management Framework is called the 4 C's of change. Committing to change. Capacitating for change. Contributing and collaborating for change. And celebrating and continuing change. It is integrated in the assess, assistance, and awards stages of the program. Maturity level. Level 1. Transactional processes are compliant with CSC and other relevant guidelines. Some processes are characterized by projects. More often are proactive, produce services and outputs of the work, but frequently exceed prescribed timelines. Success depends on competence of people and not by using proven processes. Maturity level. Level 2. Process-defined HRM processes are attuned to agency's requirements.
Programs and performance are managed according to documented processes. Some processes are proactively managed using automated systems, but the integration of data is not fully in place.
Maturity level. Level 3. Integrated HRM quantitative objectives are used to measure the quality and performance of processes for continuous improvement.
HR partners with the agency leadership to drive HR systems to support the agency's business needs.
Quality and process performance measures are used to support data-driven decision-making and has developed an HR management toolkit. Maturity level. Level 4. Strategic HRM focuses on continually improving processes' performance through both incremental and innovative improvements. Has quantitative process improvement objectives which are regularly updated to reflect changes in agency objectives. Used to manage process improvements. HR helps to drive agency business decisions on people, data, and insight. An HR strategy is a part of agency strategy. These are processes for evaluating the most qualified candidates in an objective type of criterion. Learning and development. These are guidelines and processes that facilitate integrated management of learning and development programs and activities. Performance management. These are the processes using performance evaluation results in development plans. It ensures to build and enhance competencies of individuals and teams for optimum performance. Rewards and recognition. These are achievements, contributions, and performances that contribute to the attainment of the agency's strategic goals. There are 3 stages in Prime HRM. Assess, assist, and award. There are 2 types of assessment. Self-assessment and on-site assessment. In the self-assessment phase, only the systems and competencies lenses shall be used. In addition, the HR records management system and programs shall be assessed. These are the grievance machinery, health and wellness program, and employee welfare and discipline. Prime HRM determines the agency's compliance with the civil service law, rules and regulations, and guidelines. In the on-site assessment phase, the practices lens shall be used, in addition to the systems and competencies lenses. Prime HRM recognizes organizational gaps in the areas of practices and systems. Through this, stakeholder can then map out strategies that should result in improvements in their HRM systems and practices. The second stage should be assist. Agencies shall be assisted based on developmental opportunities from self-assessment result. Apart from addressing these opportunities, the agency shall be required to set a target maturity. Together with the identified gaps and developmental areas, this target maturity level will be the basis of the agency's action plan. The action plan will map out steps on how to improve the agency's current HRM systems, practices, and competencies. This in turn will be the basis of the assist plan of the CSE assisters. The last stage would be the award. The Prime HRM Award celebrates and recognizes excellence in human resource management.